Good morning, students. So now from this particular lecture, we are going to start our new chapter. So we will be learning the chapter number 8, that is pollution, from standard 8 general science. Okay, so we have studied about pollution and we know the names of different types of pollution. So in this particular chapter, we will be seeing how the pollution is caused, okay, how pollution take place, or how the contamination of any resource takes place, okay. What are the reasons, what are the factors behind those pollution, and we will also see how we can prevent this pollution in this particular chapter. Okay, so we know that pollution is nothing but the contamination of the natural environment. Okay, what is pollution? It is the contamination of natural environment. So in short, if I want to define pollution, I may define it as the contamination of the environment leading to the harmful effects on the ecosystem is called pollution. Okay, so if the environment is contaminated, deteriorated, okay, it has been डिस्टर्ब्ड, अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को खराब करते हैं, ओके, जो हमारा नेचुरल सराउंडिंग है उसको गंदा करते हैं, उसमें अगर हम लोग पोल्यूटेंट्स ऐड कर देते हैं, पोल्यूशन हो जाता है अगर वहां पर, तो इसका सीधा सीधा मतलब क्या है कि वो इकोसिस्टम को क्या करेगा, हार्म करेगा. सो इकोसिस्टम मतलब क्या, सराउंडिंग वेयर लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर कंस्पायरिंग, दोनों भी है वहां पर, लिविंग भी है नॉन लिविंग भी है. और ये जो इकोसिस्टम है हमारा, जहां पर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है, उस इकोसिस्टम को पोल्यूशन क्या करेगा, हार्मफुली इफेक्ट करेगा, मतलब उसको नुकसान पहुंचाएगा. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट द कंटामिनेशन ऑफ नेचुरल environment which will lead to the harmful effect, or which will create harmful effect on the ecosystem, is called as pollution. Okay, so we have studied about various types of pollution in our previous classes. We know that there is air pollution, okay, then we know about water pollution, soil pollution, we also call it as soil erosion, then noise pollution, and there is one more type of pollution, that is radiation. What is it? It is radiation. So these are some basic types of pollution, okay, and we know about air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution, that is land pollution. So what is pollution? Pollution is the contamination of these factors, of these natural resources. If air is polluted, if air is contaminated, we can say that air pollution has occurred. If water is contaminated, if the dirt particles, dirty things, or something which is not required in the water bodies has been put up, okay, in the water, we can say that water has contaminated, that is water pollution. Soil pollution, that is the erosion of soil. If the layer of soil is deteriorated, if the harmful chemicals or elements have been placed in the soil, we can say that soil has been polluted. Okay, noise pollution, it is also a type of pollution which adversely affect the living organism. Okay, and radiation is one of the deadliest type of pollution, we can say. Okay, now air pollution, it is harmful for us, but it is not quickly fatal for anyone. एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से इन अ मोमेंट किसी की जान नहीं जाती है. ओके, इट इज नॉट क्विकली फटैल. सिमिलरली वाटर पोल्यूशन भी जो है वो क्विकली फटैल नहीं है. ओके, इट मे टेक सम टाइम to harm your body, or it will harm your body but it will not take your life. Whereas soil pollution is also similar to that of these two pollution. Noise pollution, it is going to create some distress in your body, but it is not going to take your life easily. But this particular type of pollution, which is radiation, which is experienced very less, okay, this type of pollution did not occur every day, but it is one of the deadliest pollution, that is radiation. So radiation is occurred, or it happens due to the emission of harmful photons or electrons from radiated elements. Okay, जो रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, तो हमें मालूम है कि टोटल 118 एलिमेंट्स है जो हम लोगों ने क्लासिफाई किए हैं, 118 एलिमेंट्स. इन 118 एलिमेंट्स में से कुछ एलिमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो क्या है, रेडियो एक्टिव है. क्या है वो? रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स है. सो रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट जो है वो हमारे बॉडी के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्मफुल है. ओके, इससे अलग अलग टाइप के कैंसर हो सकता है इंसान को. इसके बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स भी है रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स के. सो लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल टू यू. देयर वाज अ साइंटिस्ट, a very famous chemist called as known as Marie Curie. Okay, so she has won Nobel Prize for the discovery of radioactive elements. Okay, so she had discovered the first radioactive element, and she was not knowing that this radioactive element is harmful to the body of human beings and to all the other living organisms. Okay, and her life got ended due to this radiation only. Okay, सो रेडिएशन एक बहुत ही खतरनाक टाइप का पोल्यूशन है. ये ज्यादा टाइम आपको, मतलब हर बार आपको देखने मिलेगा नहीं, लेकिन जब भी रेडियो एक्टिव पोल्यूशन होता है तो वो ह्यूमन सोसाइटी के लिए क्या है, बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्मफुल है. ओके, सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू सी टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन, द रीजन बिहाइंड द अकरेंस ऑफ दिस पोल्यूशन एंड हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट दिस पोल्यूशन. ओके, नाउ बेसिकली द फैक्टर्स or the particles or the things or the components which caused pollution. Okay, ऐसे factors जो जिनकी वजह से pollution होता है उन्हें pollutants कहा जाता है. क्या कहा जाता है? Pollutants. What do we call them? We call them pollutants. So what is meant by pollutants? Pollutants are nothing but the factors that are going to create pollution. That means they are going to disturb the biotic and abiotic factors of the environment or the ecosystem. Okay, so they are going to harm the biotic and abiotic factors of the ecosystem. Such components or factors are called as pollutants. Okay, so in this particular chapter, in the first lesson, what we have seen there are types of pollution. What is pollution? We know pollution is nothing but the contamination of the environment, and the factors which are causing pollution are called as pollutants. In the next lecture we will be studying each and every type of pollution in a detailed manner. Okay, until then